खुश क्यों हो ऐ भाई, तुम तो बरसों पहले ही निकल चुके हो, तो बर्थडे वाला नाटक ये क्यों है भाई? कैंडल शैंडल फूंक से बुझा के, बेसुरों की भीड़ फालतू में लगवा के, बर्थडे वाला सॉन्ग जोर जोर से गवाते हो, हमसे ताली शाली का हजामत करवाते हो। ये सब नौटंकी फिर भी चलो झेल लें, केक शेक को स्टार्टर्स भर भर के आए प्लेट में, घर जाके फिर से डिनर ना मंगवाना हो, चूहे ना दौड़े पेट में रात के 1:45। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू जी, सोच समझ के इनवाइट भिजवाओ जी, अगर पेट पूजा का फुल इंतजाम है तो ही न्योता कंसीडर करेंगे जी। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू कह दिया है जी, तुम और भी बुड्ढे हो गए ओ तेरी, दिल छोटा ना करो उम्र का है क्या, बाल झड़ेंगे दांत गिरेंगे वैसे ही। देखो कोई पुराना गिफ्ट हम जो ढूंढ पाए, एक्सपेक्ट तभी करना हम कुछ हाथ में लेकर आए, यू आर ऑन माई फ्रेंड लिस्ट ये नहीं मजाक है, हम टाइम निकाल के आ गए तो बड़ी बात है। वैसे सच बताओ तुम अब कितने साल के हुए, हमको क्या पड़ी है हम किसी को ना बताएं, मुंह ना बिगाड़ो आज तुम्हारा बर्थडे है, तुम अकेले हो नहीं यहाँ और भी बुड्ढे हैं, सोच सोच के और बीपी ना बढ़ाओ, सिंग हैप्पी बर्थडे टू मी, बत्ती से चमका के चिल्ला कर गाओ हैप्पी बर्थडे टू मी। अब पैसे वैसे खर्चे हो और केक भी मंगवाए हो, तो पार्टी खत्म होने के बाद सर पटकना जी। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू जी, कैसी लगी तुमको मेरी फिलॉसफी, पैदा होके भी तुमने ऐसा क्या किया है, धरती पे बोझ तुम बने हो जी। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू बट यू सी, उम्र छुपाने का नाम है जिंदगी, मुझको बुलाओ ना बुलाओ पर बताना, ये बर्थडे वाला सॉन्ग हिंदी में तुमको कैसा लगा है जी।
ചിമ്മക്കി കമ്മൽ എന്റെ പെൺ കട്ടോണ്ട് പോയേ എന്റെ പെണ്ണ് ബ്രാൻഡി കുപ്പി എന്റെ അമ്മ കുടിച്ചു തീർത്തേ എന്റെ മേട ചിമ്മക്കി കമ്മൽ എന്റെ പെൺ കട്ടോണ്ട് പോയേ എന്റെ പെണ്ണ് ബ്രാൻഡി കുപ്പി എന്റെ അമ്മ കുടിച്ചു തീർത്തേ ഇവിടൊരു ചാകരയും വേലകളി മൊത്തു വന്നപ്പോൾ ചിലരുടെ തോർത്തു കീറിപ്പോയ കാര്യം ഓർത്തു പോകവേ അലകൾ കാറ്റിനൊതി കാതുകുത്താൻ പാടുപെടേണ്ട സടതര സേനാപതി വീര പടുകാമലോ കമൽ എന്റെ പെൺ കട്ടോണ്ട് പോയേ എന്റെ പെണ്ണ് ബ്രാൻഡി കുപ്പി എന്റെ അമ്മ കുടിച്ചു തീർത്തേ എന്റെ മേട ജിമക്കി കമൽ എന്റെ പെൺ കട്ടോണ്ട് പോയേ എന്റെ പെണ്ണ് ബ്രാൻഡി കുപ്പി എന്റെ അമ്മ കുടിച്ചു തീർത്തേ
पार्टी तो कभी से शुरू हुई है,
पर भाई मेरी तो एंट्री नहीं हुई है।
मेरे यार, तेरे फ्रेंड्स, तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड, तेरी एक्स, तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का एक्स, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली इकट्ठे। हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, आज पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे। हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, आज तो पार्टी जब तक फटते, नाच पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे। सारे बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे, जोर से बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे, आवाज नहीं आई, हैप्पी बर्थडे, बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे,
अरे बोलो
हैप्पी बर्थडे,
फिर से बोलो
हैप्पी बर्थडे,
हैप्पी बर्थडे,
हैप्पी बर्थडे,
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है।
Yeah, you can say what.
Hi, Beck. Happy birthday. You'll be surprised actually.
Anything else on me?
So how are you? Where are you not to see it?
Your blessing or something?
How to give blessing? Blessing also.
Anything
Anyway, I'll
else?
pray for you. Go. Okay? Best of luck. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Beckett beta. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear King Bear. Happy birthday to you.
Hey Beck, how are you, man? God, 40, old man. What a journey. Yes or no? Anyways, I get blamed for all the rubbish that you do by everyone, saying that you do exactly what I do. So it's better that you don't do what I do, okay? And do what you have to do. And do it how I would not do. Anyways, whatever we have to do, we'll do it together. That's how we are. So, just on your 40th birthday, so damn happy. And I don't know, I'm not a good singer, but there's one song that I want to sing. You know which? Dal gaya din, ho gayi sham. I know now you will be laughing. Anyways, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Becca. Happy birthday to you.
May God bless you. May God bless you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to
You. Happy birthday, Beckett.
Have a nice day. Enjoy. I hope you like the surprise.
Finally, you're 50.
God bless you.
50. 40. Yes. Don't go so fast. Have fun. And yeah, I hope you like the surprise.
Yes, see.
Suchi has done a lot of
Work and made us do a lot of work
oh my
also.
God. Yeah, it's
Okay.
all worth it.
This has become a biography now.
I know.
Brother, what's up? Once again, we come to the best time of the year, your birthday. ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे तुम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे. So brother, wish you a very happy birthday. I know we are not there this time together, but my wish is always with you. All the best. Cheers. Have a great time. Till we meet and have a drink again. God bless.
It's so dim. इतना अंधेरा क्यों है?
कोई तो लाइट लगाओ. This is absolutely dim.
I think we should call the most desired lighting master.
Do you know it's his birthday today?
Oh really? Wow. Happy birthday, Beckett.
Have a wonderful year.
Take care.
Be naughty at 40.
Have a lovely birthday. Happy birthday.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, Beckett, and have a blessed year for you. Take care and God bless you. And at last, yes, Beckett, I did it.
Hi Beckett, we all wanted to wish you a happy birthday, so we're gonna wish you in Chinese. Cheers! Happy 40th!
Now you know more, Becky.
Beckett, mere bhai, where have you been, man? How are you doing, buddy? Remembering those good old days, man, when we were together. Dubai days. Do you know I always wanted you to come back because I miss those days? Now that you have turned 40, 40-year-old man you are. Happy birthday, my dear brother. Have a very good one. Okay, have a wonderful year ahead and the upcoming years. I love you for what you are. Be the way you are and never ever change and keep up the smile. I love you. Happy birthday again.
Hi Beckett, this is to wish you a happy 40th birthday. Man, you have come a long way in life. Wish you all the success, happiness, joy and good health for the year ahead. And we definitely will party next year to celebrate your 40th birthday. And once again, happy birthday, Beckett.
Happy birthday, Becky. Wish you a great year ahead with good health, joy and peace. I've got something simple for you. Hope you like it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
I'm already partying here. Cheers. Happy birthday, Becky.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Beckett. Happy birthday to you. Beckett, here's wishing you a very happy 40th birthday and many more to come. All the best in your career. See you sometimes. Bye.
Hi Beckett, happy birthday to you. Hope you have an amazing and a superb year ahead, and may your life shine brighter than the lights that you design. Happy birthday once again. See you very soon. Bye-bye.
Hey Beckett, happy birthday. Enjoy yourself and enjoy all the celebrations which Suchi has planned for you this year. Oh, by the way, according to me, I don't think 2020 really counts. So you have another year to turn 40. So enjoy your day, have fun and stay naughty. See you. Bye.
Ready? Go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Beckham. Happy birthday to back and go, happy birthday to you. May the God all bless 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 you. May the God all
Okay, many happy returns of the day, Beckett. Wishing you a healthy and blessed year ahead. Hope to see you someday. Take care.
Okay, now we're going to say to Beck Uncle what?
To meet you, Manda.
I say okay, let Dada say okay. Alright, happy birthday, my dear Beck Monet. And I'm so glad you turned 40 right now. Wish you could celebrate it together, but thanks to COVID, we're going to celebrate it over the phone and over the air and online. I guess 40 is a very big number, and but I guess for you it's a very small number. May this year and the next decade bring you lots more happiness, joy, and lots of little babies hopefully, and not moving heads, I mean to say small little baby boys and girls, right? And wish you both, you and Suchi, a wonderful life together. Since you turned 40, I guess you got to do a lot more things now before you grow old and start dyeing your hair. Happy birthday, Beckett, my dear Mane, and have a wonderful day ahead. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, Kundi.
Hey Beckett, wishing you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a lovely birthday. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Becky. Have a great day and a great year ahead. Take care. Bye.
Take care. Bye.
Hi Beckett. Hope you remember me. If not, you'll get a knock on your head. Yes, this is Miss Lynette. Wishing you a very happy birthday. God bless you abundantly. Keep you always blessed in all that you do. Bless you and your family. I just think of those days when you, Francis, and Mark were all together, coming to meet me and troubling me at times. Those were the good old days. Now things have changed in St. Michael's. We miss students like you. Keep your teachers in prayers. They need your prayers because life has become very tough now for us. Don't laugh because we are doing online videos and teaching. God bless you. Enjoy this beautiful day and thank God for the gift of life. Do keep in touch.
My dear Beckett, wish you a very happy birthday. Today is a day of great happiness for you. I wish you all the blessings and loads of happiness on this day and the entire year ahead. You are a wonderful person. I wish all the success, all your achievements, all your aspirations and dreams come true. God bless you. Have a beautiful day. Have fun.
Hey Beck, today is a great day. Wish you good health, success and happiness always. What years have passed, man. Crazy nights with you. Especially Worli Seaforth, Chembur and the Beer Bar. Whoa man, it was the best. I really enjoyed the time. I don't want to use the F4 on camera, but Beck, you have turned 40 man. Wish you a very happy birthday. Have a super day. Cheers, Beck.
This angle right? No, 12.
Happy birthday, Beckett.
Hey Becky, happy birthday, big man. Happy 40th birthday. Don't worry, tomorrow if you feel like crap once you wake up, it's not a hangover. It's just that you're becoming too old. And thank you for becoming 40 before me. Wish you a great day, buddy. Cheers.
Have fun.
Bye.